Hello everybody, I'd like to play a chess game. Blitz, let's say 3 minutes with 2-second increment. I'm gonna go with the bird opening. So that's pawn to f4 with white. So let's see what happens. My opponent is from Sweden. Okay, I do not know this response, so I'm just gonna do normal basic development. And the goal here is to get this pawn there at some point. The pawn to e4. And it looks like it will be able to get there quite easily. So now just want to get the bishop to e2 and castle kingside. So this diagonal here is a bit weak, need to be careful. So might want to move this king into h1. Might not have been necessary yet. Okay, I'm just gonna put the pawn to c3. Alright, let's see now what we're gonna do. Need to get the other pieces into the game here. Like, don't really have a plan. Don't actually have a plan. Okay, let's see what happens if we do this bishop to e3 to control this square, so that I can push this d pawn there at some point. I don't think that's a good idea yet. Let me put the queen on c2 so I can have some protection over here. So now I can open here. I mean, make this push. And then takes, and that takes at d4. Maybe it's time to bring this knight out. Wait, maybe not yet. Let's first block. So pawn to a3 just to keep. So now this is dangerous because the rook is on the same file as the queen. So let's just put the knight there. Or let's just see what's happening. Okay, so should I block the center? I don't know. If I do that, this bishop here becomes quite useless here. Let's just do it anyway. This is what happens when you don't have a plan. So that's how most of my blitz games go. No plan. Now this knight obviously is attacking the bishop on e3, and this bishop is useless at the moment, so maybe I should allow it to get taken. So I'll move the queen to d2 so that I can take the bishop if the knight takes the bishop. I mean, I can take the knight if the knight takes the bishop. Okay, now he doesn't want to go for it. His goal, of course, is to come here, and then he'll have my queen and my rook. So that cannot be allowed. Maybe bishop to d1, so that guards that square. Oh dear. Well, this is quite a problem. This is definitely quite a problem. Alright, I'm gonna lose that poor piece. Completely lost. The whole piece down. I have no plan. This is really pathetic. This pawn is gonna fall now. Oh, this is just horrendous. And just go with a4. I'll just push there, threatening the queen. Buys me a tempo, so at least I can move my knight away. So let's move the knight away. Now maybe the knight can come to there or to there. So to c5 or to b6. Where would be better? Let's rather go to b6, threatening the rook. So there's still a little bit of hope here. Not that great. Let's see. Okay. I wish this knight could just take this bishop. But if not, I have no choice, I'm gonna do this now. Oh no, I can't do that. Let's see. can get rid of this bishop here. Oh, it took the knight. Rook for knight. Okay. Well, let's see now. I'll take the two knights for rook. Not too bad. Might actually survive here. From being 3 points down, I'm actually now only 1 point down. Well, now I don't want to lose this bishop now. And his king side is quite neglected. I wonder. Okay, let's just do this for now. So yeah, I don't know, I need to... My chess rating has gotten quite low over the last few months. Okay, let's see if I can go for an attack like that. So queen there. Okay, obviously that did not work. Run away, run out of time here, I'm only on 16 seconds. Let's see. Okay, let's start pushing these pawns up. Starting to get desperate now. Got very little time on the clock. And I'm quite frankly losing. Okay, so you can't check me, of course. But maybe I can attack. Oh dear. Big trouble now. Lose the knight. Yeah, I'm lost. Hopelessly lost. Yeah. Might as well just try and get checkmated as soon as possible. I see there's always hope for blunders. Yeah, okay, never mind. Resign. That was quite bad. It was terrible. Okay, now I'm playing as black. My opponent opened with e4. I'm gonna go with Sicilian. So c5. I'm gonna go with... I don't really know the theory of Sicilian so well, so I know we must exchange those pawns at some point. Okay, I'm gonna chase the queen away with knight to b6, c6, sorry. And I'm going to bring the knight into the game. Probably going to, okay, bring the bishop to e7. Castle kingside, you know, just let's just get ourselves safe. And yeah, I don't really know what to do, so yeah, what do we do here? We need to think of something. Can I push this pawn? If I push the pawn, and that pawn takes, and then that pawn takes, I think I can push the pawn. Okay, I'm gonna just take it with the rook. I think they wanted me to take with the pawn, and then this knight would have been hanging. And now I'm gonna gain a tempo on the queen. So I think there was a blunder on this person's side, because I think they were really banking on me taking that bishop with the b7 pawn. That's what I think. I think they gain another tempo because my queen protects the rook. I'm gaining some nice tempos here. Oh, looks like I might be gaining another nice tempo on the queen. So these are some of the disadvantages of bringing the queen out too soon. Well, then again, I don't know if we can say they brought the queen out too soon, because don't know the theory much. I'm gonna just gain another tempo. This must be getting so frustrating for this poor chap. And there we're gaining another tempo. Okay, now I can fork the two rooks. It's the beauty of a knight. My knight is forking these guys. Okay, nice. That's good, I suppose. Bishop's protecting the rook is attacking the queen. This is going quite well, yeah, I mustn't screw it up. I mean, there I get the queen. I'm probably gonna resign now. Yeah. At least I won. After like 4 consecutive losses. Okay, now I'm white. Should I go the bird again? Let's just go the bird. Alright, from Gambit. Take it. So now remember, this diagonal is weak. So we have to bring the knight to f3 to keep an eye on that square. This is uncharted territory for me. I don't know From's Gambit so well. I must be careful. I think it's safe to open the d pawn. Yeah, I don't know, maybe we must just do more expansion. No, take the center, because even if this bishop takes the knight, I'll just take back with the e pawn. And yeah, I'll just do this. And I can always block the check with the g pawn. So like this. Oh, I can take. You know what? It's fine. Take the rook. It's fine. I think I'll gain some momentum with a check. So I can exchange sacrifice. It's not like it is an exchange sacrifice. I'm probably gonna block with a knight. Chase this knight away. Need to be careful. Okay. Okay, very strange. It's not very strange. He wants to bring his rook here so he can pin my queen to the king. I can block. Didn't see that. Quite stupid of me. That was quite stupid. Okay. No, I'm in trouble now. Playing someone much higher rated than me. And I'm not doing well. The only thing going for me is that this knight is hanging and this king is in a... That was a bad... This king is in a very, very awkward spot. Now we can bring this bishop here, and then here I can actually do well if I can get something going there. So let's see how we can deal with this. I can also bring this rook here and exchange rooks, because this rook on e8 is quite a problem. See, the queen is out of the game here temporarily. So that exchange sacrifice wasn't probably that bad. But I made the other mistake afterwards. So you can probably check me with the queen, and then I can just block. Yep. He doesn't have this check. Okay, so check. Alright. Maybe we should bring the... Maybe we should do this. Is the queen trapped? Oh, I think the queen is trapped. And the queen will have to take the rook, and the bishop can take the queen. Yeah, I think I trapped the queen. Well, this will be nice. If I can win this game, I'll gain 11 points. Let's just concentrate and not be silly. Let's see, what can we do? Let me think. Don't have much time. Actually, I do have time. Maybe I should open up here. Open this diagonal. Okay, we need to be careful now. Need to be very careful. Okay. Let's go here on the... Oh, yeah, that would be suicidal. Okay. These knights are quite dangerous. They're quite dangerous, and I'm afraid of his rook coming down here to the square. Oh, this bishop is so lost. What do we do now? Okay, let me block this rook from entering. You might get some counterplay, yeah, if I can bring the knight there for check. Oh, okay. Okay. I think I can do this. Because when I bring my bishop to d5, okay, it gives me the knight. Thank you. Check. I think I can win this. Won't be easy, but I can win it. Yeah, let's exchange. I've got opposition, man. I've got opposition. Yeah, you won! Oh, on time. Thought you resigned. Okay, now I'm playing black. Okay, let's go with the Dutch defense. So that's... okay, I hate it when they do this, but okay, it's fine. I'm just gonna open the d pawn one step there, and then e6, bring the bishop to e7. I don't know why he opened that. Okay, Let's see what happens here. Okay, I don't think this bishop is a problem yet, so I can castle. I will move the king into the corner. Yes, h8. I had to do that because the queen could have taken here because the pawn would have been pinned. Let's see now. Okay, this is bad now, but I have no choice because this battery here is too strong. Okay, let's start opening up here. Now let's see what can happen. If they take, I'll just take with the bishop. Of course, the goal is to bring the knight to c6. Okay, let's take this first, that's fine. It's a bit of a... Both these knights are still sleeping. And again, my knight here is sleeping also. Yeah, I don't really have a plan, but we'll see what happens. I guess the only thing to do is just exploit weaknesses. So, moves the king. Why? Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna bring my knight out. I can now actually gain a tempo on this bishop. Oh, that will be a good tempo. Quite a nice tempo. I wonder what is the point of moving the king there. Oh, okay, let's say I gain the tempo. Now what? How about another tempo? Bishop must move. Why are you allowing me to open up, man? Because now I'm gonna bring my queen to e7. And with my queen and bishop both eyeing the e3 square, we got some danger coming up. Let's see. Should I take with the bishop or the knight? I think the bishop. Yeah. Because now I can threaten, gain a tempo on the queen, and then bring my knight to c4. c4 is not a perfect square, because there's still a light squared bishop here that can take it, but still poses a threat on that e3 square. So we shall see. I can also add more reinforcements to protect this knight. Okay, makes sense that you want to trade, because this is a beast of a knight. This is quite a powerful pawn chain here. If we start trading queens and so on, I might be at quite a nice advantage. I have no choice, I'm gonna have to take this. Okay, now I put my bishop on b7 with its eye on the f3 pawn. Let's see, we can threaten the queen. Come on, man, we have to have a plan here. Okay, the goal is just to get the queen. Ah, no, that's not gonna work. What a waste of a move. I just wasted a move now. My goal was to bring the queen here and then threaten there, because I forgot this bishop is a problem. But I can move the knight. Okay, I can move the knight here I don't think I want to exchange rooks again. Let me put this rook here on e8. I can't believe I made a mistake like that. Oh, truly I can't. Okay, let's see if this will work. If he takes, yes, so now I can take his queen. Okay, but I think I'm still losing. I'm a piece down. Yeah, this is what happens when you do stupid things. I'm a pawn up, but a piece down. Yeah, I'm in big trouble. Yeah, I'm gonna lose badly. Yeah, try and run like a dog. Yeah, this is being slaughtered, man. Slaughtered. These bishops are dangerous. Checkmate is coming soon. Let's see now. Yeah, maybe I can also just counter, fight back a bit, you know, with a check. No, not giving me a chance, man. No, truly, this is sad. No, it's better just to resign now. There's no point. Okay, let's see. Yeah, like these bishops just control all the important squares. You just can't do anything. No, it's just better to resign. I have to resign. Okay, black. Playing someone from what's this flag? Hungary. The English opening. I'm gonna go for some sort of gambit. Okay, now it's Queen's gambit. Let's go for the Slav. I think I remember a little bit of the theory of the Slav. Knight to f6. And I'm going for semi-Slav. Is this the semi-Slav? I remember studying the Slav a few years ago. Then I think it's castle, probably. And then we take the pawn on c4. We gain a tempo on this bishop. Gain another tempo on the bishop. So I think I'm remembering that correct. So it's either I can bring the bishop to b7 or my pawn to a6. Now I know there's differences. There are reasons for the one over the other. Okay, I don't know. I'm just gonna go this bishop here. Let's see. Okay, now knight b to d7. I have to push this pawn to a6 to protect the pawn on b5, because we want to push this pawn on c5. Let's push the beast. Now I don't know, must I take with the knight or must I take with the bishop? Let's take with the knight, because then I gain a tempo on that bishop. Okay, what do we do? Okay, maybe let's just chase that other idiot bishop away, because my fear is that this queen is going to end up on this diagonal and we're going to have a danger here. Quite a danger. Let's see what we can do here. No, really don't really know what to do here. Okay, let's put the rook there. Yeah, this bishop is a problem. I think I'm gonna have to put my bishop here. And then no, that's not gonna make sense. I don't want to put my queen on c7. Yeah, I'll just put it on b6. This is getting dangerous now because I don't actually have a plan. See, there's a problem. When you don't have a plan, there's a saying, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. I don't have a plan at all. I'm like a little baby bird that fell out of the nest. And didn't die yet. But will probably die soon. Okay, let's see what's happening. Taking a while to move. If his bishop goes to g3, it's going to be quite annoying. Controlling the diagonal. Okay, move the knight. Why? Why move the knight? Okay, I'm going to put my rook here. And I might even take that knight, because then I can put my queen on c6 and then bishop queen battery. Sometimes this direct, straightforward chess is effective. It can be quite effective sometimes. Let's go for it. Yeah, let's see. Probably gonna block with the queen. So maybe I was a bit too excited. That's probably what happened. Yes, I was probably far too excited. Now I have to be careful. Because there's a discovery on my queen here. I need to be playing like a... You see, that danger was here all along. But it's not so bad now. I win a pawn back at least. If the queen comes here, I mean that will be suicidal, so the bishop will take the knight first. Okay, there's it now. There's the attack on the queen. So now we must be careful. Where do we go? How about... Where do we go? Yes, I'll go there. Bishop can take the rook if they want to exchange rooks. Yep. Now he wants... Okay, it's fine. I'll just bring the bishop back. It still guards the square. The c8 square. Okay, that's fine. I'm still in a bad spot. Let's see. Maybe bishop to d6, bring the bishop down here, bring the queen to d6, and then it's like very direct, very basic stuff. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now I can maybe eat that nice pawn. Okay, obviously. What are we going to do? Threaten Do we go for the g3 pawn, man? Okay, here's a tactic. Knight takes pawn on f4. Okay, let's go for it. Take, come on, take it, man. And then when the queen takes the knight, it will be check. And then I'll get the rook. So that looks quite nice. Let's see if that happens. Oh! Far too clever to fall for cheap tricks. Well, the original threat is there again. What can we do now? Okay, that's not gonna work. Now the goal is to... There we go, we got it. Check. Got the queen. Forked. We got the queen. Yay! Oh, this was fun. My rating is 17-13.